Hello people of the internet, and it is me again, coming to you from the live Free Kitten Island server, and this show will always be live, even though it's not live, because apparently I'm still an idiot. So, today I kinda wanted to do something, I don't know, I kinda wanted to do something with Kavozcaben today, but we tried to do some recording together, and it didn't really work out. It was kind of laggy and stuff. So I basically got some stuff together, and I'm going to see if I can go over there and build another house. I kind of built one a little bit earlier that I'm going to show you in a few minutes. And he said he was going to stay on the server and build some stuff. So he might have done that, but I'm not exactly sure. And I'm going to sleep right now so that it can go to day. So now that we're in daytime, we can now hop on over to Will's house or Kavozcaben's house, and we will check out some of the modifications he made. I told him when he was on, I asked him if he would continue to build some villagers' houses and stuff, so you guys could check him out and stuff. And I believe he did this. And he also said something about making a well of some sort and furnishing the houses. And one other thing I told him to do was keep an eye on Reginald, because he's kind of a troublemaker. Reginald is our librarian villager. We named him Reginald because #YOLO, and that's basically our reasoning for everything. Oh! Seeing that fountain over there, let's check that out first. Checking it out. I'm not exactly sure I love it. Haven't seen it yet, though. Is this actually going to be working? Oh, he used pillar quartz in the center. That's, I guess, kind of cool. Maybe. If you're lame. Let's see if this actually works, because I have a feeling I know why he put this here, and the reasoning is up there. So, a little bit long ago, we started up this village here with all these different villager buildings and such. So we had to make this platform, this wooden platform over the water, and originally there was water there, so we had a diving board, and the diving board was kind of useless with the stuff right there, so I'm not even going to look down, I'm just going to drop in. Oh, and there we are, it works. Awesome, that's why he did that, so that the diving board would work. Wow, what a cool guy. Oh, and I told him to furnish some of the houses, and it looks like he threw in a crafting table, so what an interesting addition. Now we go over to here, to Reginald's, the librarian's house, which... books? Duh, we need some of them. Always need some of them in a librarian's house. And we are up here now? Okay. And I guess we're gonna check out the house that I just built the other day. Well, technically earlier today. So, yeah. Here we are, we can walk in, and it is completely furnished as I had asked him to do for me. Thank you so much, Will, or Kavozcaben, whatever you want to be called, even though you know. So, I don't know if he did anything else, but I think because he didn't do too much, I'm going to see if I can get some furnishing done. What a jerk. I'm going to add some crafting tables in, I guess a few furni. It's furnace, pluralized. Because I do these things. And we're going to get some wool. And he has all these different colored wools because he used to have sheep. May they rest in peace. Yeah. So we're going to add some beds and stuff into this village, and it's going to look real dope. Pick that up. Pick it up. Let's go. So we're going to give Reginald a bed right here, right next to his little bookshelf, because, you know, he's a librarian. He must read the books before he goes to sleep. What else can we give him? Can we give him anything else? Ooh, we can give him a crafting bench, because he's going to want one of them. Do his book crafting, because long, stakeful process. Stakeful? That's not a word, is it? No. Why do I use these words that don't exist? And over here, we haven't really named the other two villagers because the other two villagers can keep themselves in control. So we'll just throw a bed in there, and that already had a crafting bench. Ooh, he messed with the chimney. I kind of liked it my way, but apparently my way looked childish. So I'm going to put this crafting bench in the corner right here, and I'm going to put a bed in over here. Yeah, just throw it down, because that's how Minecraft works, exactly. So, let's actually take a walk real quick. We'll take a walk for a few minutes. Okay, we should probably eat something. Or we should just kill ourselves, because that would be a whole lot easier than eating. Because who needs hunger saturation when you can just kill yourself? Alright, we're back. So, Will was on the server for like 50 minutes, and I doubt that he just got 50 minutes of work done on that one fountain. So I'm going to go do some exploring on what he might have done. Actually, I'm not going to do some exploring here. I'm actually going to come over here and show you this thing right here. Now, originally we had a Coliseum type thing here, and it was just really bulky, and we didn't really like it, so we took it down, and I turned it into this right here, and this is basically a shop, and you just put in items there, and I put it in a half slab. It doesn't matter what item it is, but then it says right over here, receive random items, because they're obviously random and not quartz every time. But yeah, this was a little fun project that I did a little bit ago, and we'll obviously use that to make the fountain. Now, instead of exploring, I'm going to show you and explain how this works. So, this clock right here is running and running and running, and it's actually running these, what are they called? Hoppers here. And I could have used comparator logic for this here and just send a comparator signal to turn a clock on, but I feel that it's just better if I just have the clocks running all the time. It may add some server lag, but nobody really cares. So yeah, when you put an item in here, it raises up into this hopper here, which goes over to this hopper here, which is currently locked, and then it dispenses all these items into here. This thing here sends out a signal once an item is in it, and then it sends a signal around to this right here, this piston detracts and lets the items flow out, just to give it a little bit of longer time to spew out items. And then we follow this wire all the way down here. Sorry, I'm about to burp, and I really don't want to on camera, because I'm on camera right now, and this isn't a screen recording. So, yeah, then it sends a signal down over here to here, where this clock turns on and spews out the items. Over out of this thing, Bob, and all the quartz and stuff is in there. But, yeah, that's basically it. So, yeah, guys, thanks for watching today. I'm going to keep these episodes kind of short, so if you have complaints, please receive them in. I will receive them in the complaint department, which does not exist, so don't complain. And we will see you soon.